can check the lights are on. Okay, let's start the engine. Alright, engine is on and lights are gone. Okay, now how about we start to accelerate and check the RPMs over here. Alright, on 3, 1, 2, 3. Listen to the sound of the engine one more time. Alright. Brake works just fine, feels fine. Clutch also works perfectly. This one also moves very smoothly. No problem. You don't need much effort. Moves just fine. Okay. Let's check the windows here. Windows work just fine. Let's try the other side. Also this side functions very well. Let's check the radio, see if it works or not. Alright. Perfect. As you can see, the radio is also working just fine. How about we try the AC over here? Put on cold. Here, switch on the fan. Alright, here it starts to blow. The wind is very weak. It's not blowing so hard as it should be. If you can hear the sound of the wind, it's coming out cold wind, cold air, but it's not very strong. I think it's good enough. Not bad, not bad. It's good enough. Let me show you the cabin from inside. The seat over here. Noise coming out. This seat is not attached, just put in here. It's not attached to the floor. You can attach it, no problem. This one is not working, this door. Big luggage area, no seats, just for tools, luggage, or whatever business you want to use it for.
Esta es BUSYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398. Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.